My name is Jeff Marquis. The company name is APDI, which is Automotive Parts Distribution International. We're based out of Dallas, Texas, and we manufacture radiators and condensers for Parts Authority. There's many manufacturers and suppliers of heating and cooling parts in North America or around the world, but we pride ourselves on being a very OE-like product as far as the manufacturing material. If it's a plastic tank with aluminum cores, all copper and brass material, and the way that the product will perform in a vehicle matches or exceeds the OE specifications. We're hoping to push radiator sales and condenser sales, and also to speak with the customers, maybe the ones that ask a lot of questions as far as failures, what's causing the failures, when should these units be replaced. Probably is more often than not. With a radiator in particular, if a thermostat is not working properly, it'll build up pressure in the engine system, it'll blow a radiator up. If the coolant is not flushed and kept properly cleaned, the grit and the dirt that builds up inside the unit will kind of sandblast through a radiator and cause it to leak. The regular stress and strain of starting an engine, stopping an engine will build pressure up every time you start it, every time you shut it off. Technically, a radiator lifespan is about 3.5 to 5 years. Condensers, probably closer to 7 to 8 years. It's more of a crash part item, so not necessarily wear and tear on a condenser the way on a radiator, but if anything fails in the air conditioning components, as far as a compressor failure or any other parts that fail, all the bits and pieces of that failure will get inside the condenser, clog up the condenser, and it needs replaced as well. So like I said, we're hoping to educate the customers more on not necessarily repairing these items, but just making a full replacement, and not only just replacing these items, but everything else that goes with it. I'm looking forward to the show tonight and meeting and greeting a lot of people. It's always a fantastic show, first class all the way, and quite frankly, that's the type of customer that we like to align ourselves with. It's kind of a feather in our cap as a manufacturer when we can mention Parts Authority as one of our customers.